In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt charts and timeline view in Asana 5 minutes. We'll start by signing in, then we'll build out a clear visual timeline you can use to plan and track your work. First, head to Asana and log in. Enter your email address, click continue, then type your password and select login. Once you're on your Asana homepage, open the project or portfolio you want to view on a timeline. The timeline view is where Asana displays your work as a Gantt-style chart, so you can see how tasks span across days or weeks and how they relate to each other. At the top of your project, click the Timeline tab. You'll see a grid showing dates across the top and rows for your tasks. You can add tasks directly here using the Add Task button. This is handy when you're planning a schedule from scratch because you can lay out the structure immediately. For a task to appear on the timeline, make sure it has both a start date and a due date. If either is missing, the task won't show on the chart. Instead, it will be placed in the Unscheduled Task section on the right side of the timeline. Think of that area as your staging zone. Drag any unscheduled task from there onto the timeline, set its dates, and it will slot into place. Dependencies are the real power of a Gantt chart. When tasks are linked, you'll see connectors between them. Gray lines indicate dependencies with no conflicts. Red lines flag potential issues, like a dependent task starting before its prerequisite is finished. You can add dependencies by dragging the connector from one task bar to another on the timeline, or by opening a task and choosing Add Dependency. This keeps the sequence of work clear and helps you avoid bottlenecks. Need to adjust your plan? Simply drag and drop a taskbar to change its dates. The timeline updates automatically. Click any task to open its details pane, where you can review dates, assignees, and dependencies without leaving the timeline. If you want more control over how shifts ripple through related tasks, open the timeline options and manage dependency date shifting there. This lets you decide whether moving one task should automatically move its dependents. That's it. Using Asana's Gantt-style timeline helps you visually plan projects, spot conflicts early, and keep schedules aligned across your team.